City. School. Yeah. First day of school of Shiloh. We see. We see.
Tiara doon sa pasok. Tapos meron kumisipo.
Where are we going now?
I'm going to the school now.
Don't cry there, ha? Okay?
Mo na mo school lang ako pagkugos. Oy.
You grab only me.
Hmm?
You grab?
Yeah. Mommy not allowed inside, okay?
Yeah. You wait outside.
Yes.
Outside of the school.
Okay.
Mama, you wait
Enjoy.
outside of the school, okay?
Yes.
Outside
You
of
have to-
the school, okay?
Yes. Then you have to pray to
Outside of
Jesus.
the school.
Inside.
Huh?
Inside.
No.
Sa'yo wala yung uniform.
Ah! Mama! Mama! Ako bag! Nabatak!
Magkuwat ang pag-play dali. Get inside there, dali guys. Oh. Obo ito ba? Ako na mo te? Wala medyas ng game. Opo? Oo, ako anak ini. Dali na ano man ang hihilak na. Oh, baka na-listen tabi go back na. Ah, si Andre may
You enjoy?
It's
You wanna eat now? Yeah, allowed now because mommy, you are going to eat. You allowed mommy to come inside. Okay?
We have plasmid. Mama, we have plasmid.
My Shiloh. Yeah.
Same mo water bottle.
Aircon na rin sa barangay. Aircon na siya. Mamaya ang teacher, silingan kanila doon. Kapag sila balay sa kumangay. Kitty, don't touch, okay? Don't touch.
Outside now.
Huh? You cannot go outside. Huh? It's break time. Break time. That's why they are eating.
I don't eat.
You don't wanna eat? Okay. Enjoy, okay? Enjoy, okay? Trust yourself, understand? What is that? Clay?
Hey, don't take my clothes.
Ah. Nagkuan pa sila, mag-recess ba? Di man siya makaon. Mapay pag-anhi, magod na mo, mga siguro 20 minutes na po siguro. Ingon ang maestra, buutan daw si Shiloh. Nagkundura daw. Nag-observe. Ang ilang maestra ani silingan kay ni akong mama, akong manghod nga balay. Silingan kay sila. Ni tagay sila sudan. Iti, what do you want to say to your mga higala? Say it to your mga higala sa ila. You have to say. Say bye. Maybe there. Go. Dali. You call. Say bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Okay. Say.
Okay. Saan din?
See you tomorrow.
Say tomorrow daw. Bless.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Say bye. Thank you. Go, you wanna play for a while there? Di Lapas Barangay Hall. Balay nila ni mama ana o tabunan ng mga kahoy. Mo ni gym nga banha kay ni naay sila yung mga kuan bitaw dula-dula. Gusto pa makigdula akong bata na Yakult Bohol Head Office. Tigdula sa daw siya. Kaon man na siya. Nihilak si Shiloh kay katugon daw siya. Ya pag human niya og hilag dito naman siya naglingkod mga 5 minutes nang gawas na pud sila. Sorry?
I think the skipping board.
Where is it?
There.
You check. I love. How's your first days of school?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Then why you was crying?
Because I want to sleep.
Then now we are at home. Why you're not sleeping?
I will play.
Okay. Do you enjoy there, Shiloh, my love?
Yeah.
You enjoy?
Yeah.
We're going tomorrow.
Yeah.